I'm going to see Harry Potter 6 today. Yeah, I've heard good things about it from people who hated the last 3 movies like I did, so I can actually be excited about it. Yeah, I don't know if y'all can hear that noise in the background. It kind of sounds like peaceful birds chirping in the distance, but it's our washing machine, and I hate it because it's broken and it's squeaky. See, listen to this. I'm sure you can hear it now. Oh! Hey, cat. The cat's actually in my room with me. He never comes in here. He usually doesn't like people. Hey, dude, look at the camera. Look at YouTube. Tell that you love it. Did you say you loved it? Okay, good cat. Are y'all still going through precious, precious memories?
Yes. Yes, Ricky.
Are you guys agitated from this vast amount of precious, precious memories that we have?
Mom wants me to put him in order.
Yeah, that'll happen. Yeah, a lot of pictures. Hey, Piper.
That one's kind of blurry, but you want to keep
Are you tired? Take that as a yes. Hey. What's up?
The only person I'm not friends with.
Piper.
Drew.
You got an eye booger. I just thought you should know. You might want to get that. It's kind of distracting and unattractive.
Guess you don't really care for this dude. I know, I was like, what are you looking at, Shelby?
Well, aren't you exciting?
Okay,
Okay, there we go. Hey, look, we actually just got air fresheners. Stop. Mine won't open. Because it's got plastic wrap on it, right? God, it won't get off of me. It's so disgusting. It's on my face. Get Ryan. How long is last? Let's just run around Ryan and got it. Okay. Sorry. You got it in my eye. Sorry. Dude, that lasted all 5 seconds. They Dollar Tree, okay. So what do you expect? Let's see the damage here. Matt, Goofy show us your wounds. Nothing. Aw, y'all can't dust off. Oh, sorry. Just look at what's around. I have a new ear piercing.
You have a tail, Ricky.
Huh?
You have a tail.
Oh! Look at this thing connected to my ear. My face is slimy now. Okay, pal.
I got like the back of your head covered in like bits of it.
Wait.
My ear.
Yeah, I'm covered all over in the back too.
Oh, man, I just
above
it in my hair.
Oh wow, Daniel. Dude, look at it. I want to see it.
I really should have thought about this because I just got out of the shower.
Yeah, that's what I was like. Well, you're not really that messy.
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna smell like it. Now my bed is.
What have you been smoking?
We've been
huffing celery string.
Whoa, zoomed in.
Usually, thrives on that. Right.
That's what I just said.
From now on, it's not
God, you have such an odd shaped dog.
Because she's fat?
Well, maybe you shouldn't overfeed her.
I don't. My mom
Take
does.
her out for exercise.
I do.
Yeah, sure.
He's the only one who doesn't do anything.
Daniel.
And he's the only one who makes fun of her.
You have such a sexy voice, Becky.
But you asking for money, there's a new one.
Talk dirty to me.